Hello everyone, this is Larry with your WTR Quick Rundown on Maids. Maids is a home cleaning service with approximately 1,400 independently owned and operated franchises around the world. Maids offers standard cleaning in most every room in your home, including entry areas, kitchens, bathrooms, and bedrooms. These services typically include dusting, vacuuming, hard floor cleaning, and cleaning appliances. Maids will bring their own cleaning tools and supplies, so you don't have to worry about the additional costs that may come with other cleaning services. However, Maids' price structure can be confusing. While Maids will provide a quote online, some users say these quotes aren't quite accurate in real life, especially if you need specific or unique cleaning services. And though Maids does offer some specialty services, like oven and window cleaning, the services are not offered at all locations. Bottom line, customers appreciate Maids' attention to detail in their cleaning and helpful customer service. Please visit watchthereview.com for more in-depth reviews.